Lockdown getting you down. I 100% get it. It's a complete pain in the ass. However, as an Amazon entrepreneur, there's actually heaps of things that you can be doing right now that means once lockdown is lifted, you'll be sprung into a new cashola creating situation for yourself. If you'd like to find out what they are, stick around. I'm going to show you right now. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm teaching you and showing you different ways of making money online, whether that's through Amazon or Etsy, eBay or e-commerce, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. We post new content every single day all about helping you build your wealth through e-commerce. If you've got something you want me to cover for you, be sure to comment in the comments below. And I'll be sure to shoot that video for you. All right, let's get into it right now. So Pete says, with no end to the lockdown in sight, that sucks, what are your top 3 tips we could use to come out of this lockdown stronger than when we went in? Okay, so that's the question. So type something in the chat. If you've got an idea for something, type it in the chat, because I think it's one of those things where it depends on how you perceive a situation. It can either be a monumentally difficult time or it can be a time where you springboard out of it. Anyway, so I asked the coaches too. This is Niraj. I've got a picture of Niraj up. Here's Niraj. What a handsome bastard he is. He's up in Brizzy. That's Niraj. So Niraj's ideas were set a goal. Always good to have a goal. Set a goal and focus on achieving it. Super cool. Post photos of your dreams on your wall. Now, if I could show you this, I would, but I don't know how to show my entire screen. My screen on my computer is all of the shit that's in my actual goals. So the houses, the cars, the places I want to live, the countries I want to visit, the things I want for my daughters, like all that kind of cool shit. That's all in there on my desktop, on my computer. So every single day I see that. So really cool idea from Niraj. And then you can fast track your business by understanding the entire process and know the steps to achieve your goals. So for that, I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you this, just in case you didn't know this exists. So when you log into the AOE area, over on the right hand side as I'm looking at it, it says start here, and that's where you'll start. When you do that, this is where you come. These are these are 7 really great videos to watch to get you started properly on Amazon. Anyway, underneath the very, very first one, which the fantabulous Kate Ingham has done, you can see this here. It says, follow this link to get lots of cool stuff for your Amazon business. When you follow that link, this is where you end up. So this is all lots and lots of cool stuff that myself or the coaches or oftentimes members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs have kind of put into our combined knowledge base as well. But the one specifically I want to reference is this one here, timeline of a typical Amazon business. Okay, so this is great to help you with goal setting, like what's next probably for your business. Set a goal around that, work towards that goal. Okay, really cool document what kind of goes into every single thing required to get your Amazon business up and running, and it's in that area. From there, the cool stuff along with a shitload of other cool stuff too, and it's called timeline of a typical Amazon business. Okay, so that's a cool thing to have. Make sure you got that. So that's from Niraj, the fantabulous Niraj. Here's the awesome Kathy, who's going to be speaking next, by the way. So Kathy says, this is a really good idea. So only focus on what's in your control. No good worrying about shit you can't control. Focus on the stuff that you can control. Don't waste your energy on stuff that you can't. And then use your time to upskill yourself. So be learning new things, whether that's about entrepreneurship, reading books, listening to stuff, all sorts of great ways you can learn stuff. Experiment, optimize, focus, catch up. Here's an important one. Declutter your home, your office, and your computer, like tidying up all the shit on your computer. Really great idea. That's the lovely, lovely Kathy. And then here's Tracy, another one of our fabulous coaches. Tracy says, set yourself some mini goals, maybe just a few days at the time to implement. And then also as well, look at taking one of my other courses, such as, so you go from the home page here, you go to advanced training info pages, and then there's all these cool kind of courses. So AOE, I think of that as kind of like your degree in entrepreneurship, AOE. And then if you want to go and specialize in something like becoming doing a master's in it or doing your PhD in it, then these courses will help you become a master in that specific thing, whether that's Amazon SEO or Amazon PPC or selling in places like India as well. So that's kind of cool as well. Make sure you check that out. All right. So here's some of your ideas. So Jessica says, focus on staying productive every day. Focus on one thing only. Don't chase shiny objects. My dad, who was also an entrepreneur, he used to say to me all the time, man who chases two rabbits catches neither. And I used to think, what a load of wank. But as I've gotten older, I've realized the wisdom in that. Focus is key. Maddie Burke says, thinking about new products, looking at product opportunities and things like that. I'm going to do some of that tonight for you. Show you some ways of coming up with some new products, showing you how to follow trends and stuff like that. Nikolai says, focus on your learning on new skills or getting in shape, something like that. Scotty Airwin says, get your systems in place for your business. Make sure you're communicating with your suppliers. Yvette says, review your business and clean it up. Carl says, do a degree. Digital Vision Boy on that side too. Jackie, poster in your bedroom. Yeah. I will tell you that, gosh, I can't remember. I feel like it was probably 15 years ago, something like that. I did a course with a guy called Dr. John DeMartini, who's an awesome bloke. Buy all of his books. His books are freaking awesome. Anyway, so I did a course with Dr. D. It was a 2-day goal setting thing. Okay, and I set some goals 15 years ago, and I've just been working towards them. And every now and again, you hit one of the goals, and you're kind of onto the next one. It's very, very cool. Murray says, just popped his Amazon cherry by making his first sale. Well done. Nisha, do one thing to improve your business every single day. So there's working in your business, that's the day-to-day stuff of running your business. But then there's working on your business, that's thinking about your business strategically, where you want it to go, like Murray's doing, which new marketplaces you want to take it into. Really good ideas, folks. Thanks for that. And of course, my old mate, Mr. Mullins, be sure you do all of this while you're drinking a healthy quantity of wine. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session that I do with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.